we were trying to figure out how many of the female sophomores are taking geometry. So from the reading, we know that there are 20 more female sophomores than males. So we know that females would be male plus 20, number of males plus 20. All right, clue 1, 20% of all sophomores are studying geometry. Well, that doesn't help me figure out the how many of the females are. All clue 1 tells me is that 20% of all sophomores are studying geometry. That means 80% is not studying geometry. That's all that does. So that doesn't work by itself. 2, 15% of male sophomores are studying geometry. But all that tells me is that 85% of the male sophomores are not taking geometry. It doesn't tell me anything about the females. And if I put those two together, it still doesn't help because I don't know anything about the females. I know up here given females is males plus 20, but nothing works. Not independently, and if you put them together, it still doesn't work. So your answer is going to be E, nothing works.